Let's move on now to US pre-market movers and levels. Again, I'm going to give a plug to the FT, the weekend FT. Absolutely incredible read. The amount of data and the amount of information in this publication. Shares of Macau casino operators jumped on Friday, and there's rumours of the Chinese government intervention. Probably worth me mentioning sort of what was written. Shares of Macau casino operators jumped as the decline in gaming revenue slowed in September. Reports that the Chinese government is considering measures to support the region. Gross gaming revenues fell by 33% in September, according to the latest figures from Macau's Gaming Inspection and Coordination Bureau. That compared with 35% drop reported in August and was much lower than the 49% jump recorded in February. Local media reports that Chinese government would support Macau's growth in all aspects, also gave casino stocks a shot in the arm. So incredible.
Well, I think it's tough times when the gamblers stop gambling. So I mean, it's great that the Chinese are intervening there, but it obviously is a leading indicator on how bad things are.
Yeah. End of an era. Google, as we know it, will cease to exist. New conglomerate known as Alphabet will take shape.
I think it was just a waste of time.
I wonder how much money that's cost.
Exactly, a waste of time and money.
Okay, let's talk about chart points. We've got some chart levels to watch. I've widened these out a little bit because the next Wall Street show is not till Friday, so I thought we'd give you some levels that are good for the week. FTSE 6150 plays 6297. The DAX 9650 plays 9800. The S&P 1940 plays 1970. And the Dow 16,000, a big psychological round number, plays 16450. Any points on those? Is that worth mentioning?
Yeah, I mean, I think for the FTSE really, the 6260, 6270 has been the peak, the actual peak, but 6297 is actually the 50-day moving average. And that's been resistance all the way down from the summer. So that really needs to be cleared if this is just not just an intermediate recovery before a new leg to the downside.
So that's a real key chart point.
I think that's a
key
chart point, yeah.
In terms of the currencies, euro, dollar, we got 112, double O's on the downside, 112.96 on the upside. Aussie, 69.05, playing 71.91. Dollar yen 18.68 on the downside, 21.38 on the upside. And we've got lots of commentators suggesting we're looking for a pullback in the dollar yen pair. And finally, cable 51.08 plays 54.09. And again, the technical analysts keep highlighting this 51.00 areas key support on cable. Last thoughts on currencies?
Well, obviously the BOJ will presumably move dollar yen one with the other Wednesday, presumably trying to get it higher rather than lower, because at the moment it really is struggling. And really on cable, you would expect if 151.00 does break, it could snap quite badly.